The final over of the innings. And a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting. Just a subtle adjustment, 6 inches back in the crease. And the wind up to send the ball away.
What a shot. There it is, he's standing deep in the crease, and then the helicopter shot comes into play. Once again the bottom man. There it is, the helicopter shot. Wow. It's got deep into the crowd.
10 of the over. Goes again. Make it 6 more. 16 of the over. He wants to finish in style. India push towards 300. Have a look at the crowd.